Take a look at these 4 shots side by side. We have the same character and the same can of hyperpulse shown across completely different camera angles and under completely different lighting conditions. I didn't generate these across 5 separate tools or spend hours wrestling with seed numbers. I built this entire campaign inside Flova 1.0, starting from a single client brief. Flova 1.0 officially launches today, but instead of treating it like just another prompt box, we're going to run a real experiment. We're taking a commercial brief for a futuristic energy drink and seeing how Flova acts as an AI video agent, handling character consistency, multi-model generation, and project memory under one roof. If you're a marketer, freelancer, or creator building video ads, let's look at how this changes the daily workflow. At its core, Flova isn't just a video generator, it's an AI video agent built around project-level memory. Instead of treating every prompt like an isolated shot in the dark, Flova holds onto the entire context of your campaign, your target audience, visual style, character references, and product assets. There are 2 main reasons why this structural approach matters. Unified multi-model pipeline. Flova coordinates distinct models for visuals, voice, and audio under one umbrella. Rather than manually exporting video files into separate tools for narration or background tracks, the agent connects all these outputs directly into a shared project timeline. Visual and character continuity. By establishing reusable assets early in your project, Flova helps maintain a significantly more consistent visual identity across different lighting conditions and camera setups than starting from scratch with a blank prompt every time. Let's step through how this hyperpulse energy drink commercial actually gets built from a real client brief. We start by feeding the full campaign brief into Flova, specifying the product name, target audience, ad objectives, visual style, and final delivery specs. Instead of just spitting out a single raw video, the agent analyzes the strategy and presents 3 distinct commercially targeted routes. Option A, social energy ad, a fast-paced, high-energy cut designed for quick social engagement. Option B, brand storytelling, a cinematic narrative sci-fi spot for brand building. Option C, direct response, a targeted, product-focused concept built for conversion. For our brief, option B fits best. I select it and Flova automatically expands it into a full multi-shot storyboard with matching narrative beats. Step 2, locking reference assets and voice profiles. Before generating full clips, I upload high-res reference images of our Hyperpulse energy drink can and tag our lead character reference image. Saving these as project assets ensures Flova pulls from the same baseline identity across every shot, keeping the character's facial structure and the product packaging recognizably consistent. At the same time, I assign a dedicated audio profile to our character. This gives us a far more consistent voice profile across different scenes, so your narration doesn't shift wildly in pitch or pacing between clips. Step 3, generating shots and timeline precision. Now the agent builds out the scenes in parallel. The workspace displays a conversational AI assistant on the right, shot cards on the left, and a multi-track editing timeline across the bottom. Because the video voiceover and sound effects are generated directly on separate timeline tracks, you have full control over the edit. For example, if a video clip holds a fraction of a second too long, you can trim that shot down by precisely 0.5 seconds right on the timeline, perfectly aligning the product reveal with the audio emphasis in the voiceover. If a specific shot needs structural fine-tuning, you don't rewrite the whole prompt structure. You simply tell the agent, shift to a low-angle tracking shot as the character drinks. Flova updates only that specific visual element while keeping the rest of the scene's timing and character identity intact. Now, let's look at the reality of AI generation, because no tool generates 100% perfect clips on the first try. Take a look at shot 3 in our initial sequence. Under the heavy neon lighting, 2 specific issues pop up. the Hyperpulse logo on the can comes out slightly blurry. This moment is where an AI agent workflow really proves its worth. Instead of scrapping the whole sequence or rerunning every prompt from scratch, I select shot 3 on the timeline, rebind our saved product anchor asset to the shot, and instruct the agent to re-render only the foreground element. Comparing the before and after, the logo sharpens up and the facial identity realigns with the saved reference, fixing the problem in a single targeted step without burning extra credits or breaking the rest of the project. Once this commercial is finished, you don't want to start from scratch for your next deliverable or client variation. This is where skills come in. I can save this entire Hyperpulse commercial setup, the prompt structure, shot pacing, aspect ratios, and model preferences directly as a reusable skill. To demonstrate how this works, let's open a new campaign to create a 9:16 vertical version for TikTok. Instead of rebuilding the project, I apply our newly saved skill as the starting point. The agent instantly loads our proven shot logic, framing parameters, and pacing, allowing us to adapt the commercial into a vertical layout in just a few clicks. AI video is shifting from random prompt gambling to structured creative direction. For freelancers, marketers, and agency creators, having an agent that remembers your visual assets and lets you edit interactively across timeline tracks is what makes AI production genuinely practical for client deliverables. Flova 1.0 is live globally today. They currently have launch offers and starter credit packages available. So check the link in the description to see the latest terms and test out the platform for yourself. Try running your own product ad build, test out the asset anchoring, and let me know in the comments how it handles your specific workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.